What's going on, you guys? My name is Zach Hartley, and in this video I'm going to try and build a cryptocurrency mining rig that will pay itself off in under 1 year. Here is everything you need to know. Let's go. Okay, so in order to build a crypto mining basically computer at home, what I needed to do was go out and find graphics cards. That is the computer piece that actually goes out and does the mining. Everything else is just there to operate the graphics cards. And so I had a lot of trouble trying to find good graphics cards, and they're really tough to come by these days. But I was able to secure two of these 3080 Ti graphics cards. Now, I know that these are definitely not the best graphics cards, and they even have a small problem where the manufacturer has throttled back how much crypto you can mine with these. However, this is all I could get my hands on here in Calgary. This is all I could find after a lot of searching, and when you do the math on it, you can go to NiceHash here, and I know this isn't the best calculator, but here are my numbers. So I live in Canada, I'm paying this dollar amount per kilowatt hour for my energy, and if you type in 3080 Ti and you do the math on it, this machine should be able to profit about $7.46 per day. And I actually was able to get two of these graphics cards, which means once I have this entire machine set up, theoretically I should be able to make around $15 per day, which in my mind is pretty good. And my goal here is for this machine to pay itself off in under 1 year. And if you multiply $15 times 365, that gives me a budget of $5,475. So that is what we are going to be working with. That is what I'm going to try and assemble this unit for, and I'm going to bring you with me on this journey. Now, one of the big factors here when it comes to cryptocurrency mining is the electricity cost and how much electricity my mining rig is using. And to keep track of that, I've actually purchased a plug power meter that is going to monitor how many kilowatt hours I am drawing from the outlet and going into the mining rig so that I can perfectly calculate and measure how much electricity this unit is drawing. And so with all of that figured out, I got my graphics cards, I got my power plug on order. It is time to assemble this crypto mining rig. Alright, you guys, we are back. It is October 21st and my crypto mining rig has been operating 24/7 for 21 days straight. So this is very exciting. We now have some data that we can look at, we can analyze, and we're going to see if we're actually profitable. And so here is my dashboard right now. At the bottom you can see I have both of my 3080 Ti cards still mining right now. Temperatures 59 degrees Celsius, 100% load, and they're still making money. I have $349 in my Bitcoin wallet. I have another $1.50 that is waiting to be deposited. So really, we're at about $351 right now. So we're doing pretty well. And as of this very second, we're making about $10.55 per day. Now this number definitely fluctuates. I've even seen it as high as $20, but at least now we have some solid data that we can look at and we can calculate. And so here is my spreadsheet. On October 1st, 2021, I had $68.82 in that wallet. Today, October 21st, 2021, we have $351 in that wallet. That gives us revenue in October of $282, and we used 345 kilowatt hours to generate that revenue. The cost per kilowatt hour is 6.79 cents. That gives us a total power cost of $23.43 for 21 days, and that gives us a total profit of $258.75 for the 21 days. The daily profit on that number is $12.32. So as you can see here, we are slightly underneath the NiceHash predictions, which is not great. We're not making quite as much money as I had hoped for or as I had wanted, but we are making some money. It's bringing in $12 a day. It's basically paying for lunch right now, and we're doing pretty good. And this factors in the electricity and everything else. Now, my total cost for the mining rig was fairly expensive, and so I purchased two of the 3080 Ti graphics cards, at $21.39 each. Now I do have another slot on my memory board, or on my motherboard, sorry, where I can put another graphics card. So I can mine more cryptocurrency just by adding one more graphics card, and that's all I would have to do. So that option is still there. I haven't taken advantage of it yet, but the thing that really got me, and the thing where I spent more money than I was expecting, was on the motherboard and accessories. The pieces that you need in order to operate that graphics card actually cost me a whole lot more money than I was expecting. Over $1,200 here. I paid another $180 for that frame, $48 for some extra fans, and $137 for some cable extensions. So my total cost for the entire cryptocurrency mining rig was $5,887. It's generating $12.32 of profit per day right now. That gives me an ROI in days of 477 days, or an ROI in percentage of 76%, which if you had told me, hey Zach, you can buy this stock and get 76% return, I would buy that all day long. That is a phenomenal return. That is an amazing return on any investment. Unfortunately, we just didn't quite hit our 1 year target or our 1 year goal. Now, there are some X factors here. Luckily, I've been able to get a fixed rate on my electricity, so that isn't going to change, but the value of Bitcoin is going to change. And so if Bitcoin goes to $100,000, I'll probably hit the 1 year target. If it doesn't and it stays at this level for a year, I'm probably going to take about 470 days in order to break even on this investment. But after that, it'll be $12 per day of profit until it runs out, or until basically the math changes behind these cryptos. And so lots going on there. I know there's a lot of different things happening in the crypto space right now, but this was definitely a cool experiment. I had a lot of fun with it, and it is a really cool thing to spend $5,000 and get a steady income stream for the next number of months or years. I just think that's really cool. And so this is what it looks like when you build your miner at home. But let's say that you don't have the space to build at home, and let's say that you don't have the capacity to manage this and do the electricity and monitor the equipment. Well, this is a company that I recommend. This is called Blockware Solutions, and they do something called hosting and colocation. This is not a sponsored video, but I have bought some equipment from them. It's actually coming in next month, and I evaluated this. This is hosting and colocation, and basically you buy a crypto miner from them. They will host it at their facility. They will monitor it. They will run the electricity for it, and they will give you wholesale electricity rates. And so this is really cool. Definitely check out the website. I will link it in the description down below. BlockwareSolutions.com. They can do this for you, or you can buy equipment from them. That is what I've done. I've actually ordered a brand new Bitcoin miner, so a little bit different than what we just bought, a specific Bitcoin miner, the S19 Pro. I just purchased it. It's coming in November, and I'll be making some videos about them. But this is a company that I was really interested in, and instead of hosting and locating, I actually just bought the equipment. So definitely check them out. And if you get any value out of the transparency and the numbers and what I'm showing you here, please remember to click that like and subscribe button. And if you have any access to some better graphics cards, shoot me an email, because I'm definitely interested in it and I could use some help. And I will see you guys in the next video. Also, if you're interested in learning how to trade or invest in cryptocurrency and you want to get into the markets, I do have a completely free course about how to get started, hosted on Skillshare, and the link is in the description down below to this video. You get 2 weeks of free access to the entire course. Definitely check it out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Good luck trading, good luck investing, good luck mining, and we'll see you guys soon.